Hi everyone. Today we are going to see in this video lecture how to calculate total number of microstates. From this topic in CSER, in GATE as well as other competitive exams like university entrance exams, these questions will come and it will be asked for 2 marks. There are 5 different ways to calculate total number of microstates, and let us move to the topic. The first method, there are 5 types. The type 1, when the electronic configuration is given, how to calculate total number of microstates. This is type 1, the simple method. Let's take for example, if they have asked for P3 and they have given P3 electronic configuration and what is the total number of microstates. This is the simple formula. N factorial divided by R factorial into N minus R factorial. Here N is twice the number of orbitals and R is the total number of electrons. Let's take this example. For P3, N is 6 because P orbital will have 3, twice the number of orbitals, 6 factorial divided by R factorial, that is number of electrons, 3 factorial into 6 minus 3 factorial. Now 6 factorial into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial into, here we can explain this one, 6 minus 3, so 3 into 2 into 1. Cancel 3 factorial and then cancel this 3 2 for this 6. So 5 into 4, 20. 20 is the answer. 20 is the total number of microstates for this particular electronic configuration. Let's take another example. Let's take D2. For D2, the total number of microstates will be, D means 5 orbitals, twice the number of orbitals. 5 means 10 factorial divided by 2 electrons. So 2 factorial, 10 minus 2 factorial. Let's expand this one. 10 into 9 into 8 factorial divided by 2 into 1 into 10 minus 2, 8 factorial. 8 factorial cancel, 2, so 5. 5 into 9, 45. 45 is the total number of microstates. If they have given multiple configuration, that is mixed configuration, that will be type 2. The same formula we can apply for the type 2 also. That will be type 2. Let's take for this example P1 D1. So we have to apply, simply apply in this formula and multiply both of them. That's all. P means 6 factorial divided by 1 factorial into 6 minus 1 factorial into D means 10 factorial. 10 factorial divided by 1 electron, that is 1 factorial, 10 minus 1 factorial. Now 6 into 5 factorial divided by 1 into this one 5 factorial into 10 into 9 factorial divided by 1 into 9 factorial. 9 factorial cancel, 5 cancel, 6 into 10, 60. 60 is the total number of microstates for this particular electronic configuration. Let's take another example. P1, P1. What is the total number of microstates? N factorial, that is twice the number of orbitals. 6 factorial divided by 1 electron, 1 factorial, 6 minus 1 factorial into 6 factorial, 1 factorial, 6 minus 1 factorial. Now 6 into 5 factorial divided by 1 into 5 factorial into 6 into 5 factorial divided by 1 into 5 factorial. 5 cancel. 6 into 6, 36. 36 is the total number of microstates. Let's take another one example. S1, then P1. What is the total number of microstates? Total number of microstates. S means 2. 2 factorial. 1 electron, 1 factorial, 2 minus 1. 1 factorial into here 6 factorial divided by 1 factorial, 6 minus 1 factorial. 2 into 1 divided by 1 into 1 into 6 into 5 factorial divided by 1 into 5 factorial. 5 cancel. 6 into 2, 12. 12 number of total, 12 is the total number of microstates. Let's take another one, that is type 3. For type 3, we are going to apply different formula. In type 3, they will give the terms, spectroscopic term. What is the formula if they have given terms, spectroscopic terms? The formula is the formula is 2s plus 1 into 2l plus 1. Here we know 2s plus 1 means spin multiplicity, 2l plus 1. We have to multiply both of them, that's all. Let's take one example. Triplet D. When we apply into the formula, spin multiplicity 2s plus 1, it is 3 into 2l plus 1, 2l plus 1. So when we come to terms, the representation is like, when l is 0, the representation will be s. When we keep on go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, it will go on S, P, D, F, G, H, J will not come, it will be I. H, I, J will not come because J is the total angular momentum quantum number. So now here for D, 2, you have to put 2. So now 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 into 3, 15. 15 is the total number of microstates for this particular question. Let us take another one example, that is singlet G. For this, when we apply into the formula, the spin multiplicity 1 into 2 into l plus 1. G means 4. Here 1 multiplied by 2 into 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 is the total number of microstates. Let's take another one example. doublet H. When we apply into the formula, spin multiplicity 2 into 2, H means 5 plus 1. 5 into 2, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. 11 into 2, 22. 22 is the total number of microstates. When they have given complete term symbol that, and then they are asking what is the total number of microstates, then the type will be 4. It will be fourth type. And what will be the formula? The formula will be 2j plus 1. That's all, very simple. Let us take one particular example, doublet P4. When we apply into the formula, only j value we need to take. This is spin multiplicity, this is the term, and then this is the j value. J value 2 into 4 plus 1, only 9. So this is the total number of microstates. And next type is, that is type 5. If they have asked, they have given Mulliken term symbol and then they are asking what is the total number of microstates, that will be type 5. This is the last type we are going to see. And what will be the formula? The formula will be 2s plus 1, that will be spin multiplicity into degeneracy. Now, for Mulliken terms, that is A, E, T, the degeneracy for A is 1, for E is 2, for T is 3. So, let us take the examples, particular examples. Doublet T1G, triplet AG, doublet EG. When we apply into the formula, spin multiplicity to degeneracy for T is 3. So total number will be 6. For this particular Mulliken term symbol, spin multiplicity 3 into 1 equal to 3. For this, 2 into E means 2, 4. This is the answer for this one. Now we will see previous year questions which asked in CSIR exam. This question is asked in CSIR June 2012. The number of microstates for D5 electronic configuration is. So this is the type 1, simple electronic configuration is given. What is the formula? The formula is n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. When we apply into the formula, n means twice the number of orbitals, that is 10 for D. Then number of electrons 5 factorials, that is 5 number of electrons, and then 10 minus 5 factorial. Let us expand this one. 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 factorial divided by 5 factorial, and then this one also 5 factorial. So 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Now cancel 5 factorial, 3, this one cancel, this one 2, and then this one also 2. So now 2 into 9, 18, 18 into 2, 36. That is 7 into 36 means 6 into 6, 36. So now we can write 6 power 2. So this will be the correct answer. And this question asked in CSIR June 2016, the number of microstates present in triplet F term is. So this is when the term is given, what is the formula? The formula will be 2s plus 1 spin multiplicity into 2l plus 1. Now here for L value, when it is 0, 1, 2, 3, it is, when it is 0 it is S, P, D, F, it keep on goes. When we apply into the formula 2s plus 1, that is spin multiplicity, that is triplet, it is 3 into L value for F 3, 2 into 3 plus 1, 2 into 3 6, 6 1 7, 7 into 3 21. 21 will be the answer. B is the correct answer. This particular question asked in CSIR December 2017. This is little bit different question. You can see the term symbol for the ground state of a metal ion is triplet P2. The residual entropy for the crystal of metal at 0 Kelvin is. What is residual entropy? The residual entropy formula is residual entropy S Kb ln W. Here Kb is the Boltzmann constant and W is the total number of microstates. When the term symbol given, that is type 4, we have explained in previous. For type 4, what is the formula? 2J plus 1. This is the formula. So simply apply this one, the total number of microstates. So the total number of microstates for W will be 2 into J value is 2 plus 1. 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So the answer will be Kb ln 5. This will be the correct answer for this question.